to another video. We just got here at Bugana Beach and Dive Resort Sipalay. Supposedly, our check-in time is 2 p.m. Pero late na kami nakarating, so we decided na kumain na agad kasi nagutom din kami sa biyahe. We order pizza, vegetable salad, and fresh mango shakes. After naming mag-dinner, umakyat na kami sa room at ito ang room namin guys. Good for 2 worth 2,500 with breakfast for 2 na din. Then, nag-relax na lang kami while enjoying the night view. Good morning guys! The time now is 6 a.m. Today we will explore the Bugana Beach and Dive Resort Sipalay. The resort's captivating setting seamlessly blends with the surrounding natural beauty. The resort stands proudly against a majestic rock mountain backdrop, creating a scenic and awe-inspiring scene. This time guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view sa labas ng aming room. Wow! Sa labas ng aming room, meron ding veranda kung saan may enjoy mo ang view. Pwede din dito mag-breakfast or mag-coffee while enjoying the scenic view. We decided to go down kasi plano namin mag-kayak guys. But before that, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na ang isa sa mga highlights of the resort is its breathtaking pool which offers panoramic views of the serene Campomanes Bay. It's truly a rejuvenating experience for our bodies and souls. Sobrang sarap sa feeling guys na gumising ng maaga at ganitong view ang makikita mo. Maraming thrilling adventures ang pwede gawin dito like beach paired with diving with professional guides by your side and fully equipped gear. You can confidently embark a thrilling diving stunts, explore the vibrant underwater world, and witness the wonders of marine life in their natural habitat. You can also enjoy snorkeling, island hopping, kayaking, and paddleboarding. Pero ang gagawin namin ngayon guys is kayaking. Nag-rent kami ng kayak worth 300 pesos, good for 1 hour. Kayaking provides the perfect opportunity to bond with friends, family, and loved ones while enjoying the beauty of the resort. and glide through the serene waters at your own pace, savoring every moment as you navigate the scenic surroundings. Kayaking offers endless excitement and unforgettable memories. We really cherish this experience as it will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression and create cherished memories that will be treasured for years to come. At habang nagkakayak kami guys, na-enjoy din namin yung mga isda, coral, starfish at marami pang iba kasi napakalinaw ng tubig dagat.
Ano lang ko kay kung mabugsay. ko lang. Hindi ka pakita.
After namin magkayak, bumalik na kami dito para mag-breakfast naman. Ang breakfast time pala dito guys is 7 a.m. Naka-order na kami ng food, so habang naghihintay, ililibot ko muna kayo. Let's go guys! Pero hindi ko na pala guys iisa-isahin sa pag-explain kung ano yung ipapakita ko. Just enjoy the view! At ito na ang breakfast namin. Kasama na to sa room na kinuha namin. Pero kung bibili kayo guys ng breakfast meal, parang nasa worth 250 plus ang per plate nila. I'm sharing with you the view guys habang kumakain kami ng aming breakfast. After this, magpapahinga lang kami ng konti, tapos magsiswimming naman kami.
No water.
Bali, nag-ano rin kami. 500% kung ano yung biga ng group meals. Okay.
Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Sobrang sulit na sulit, guys. Mag-aayos na kami for checkout. Pagbaba namin, nagulat kami. Hala, sobrang daming tao na. Pero okay lang kasi pauwi naman na kami. Thank you so much, Bugana Beach and Dive Resort. It's a wonderful experience for us. Till next time!